guys, I've always wanted to try the exhaust, see how it sounds like underneath the tunnel here in Old Roseville. I didn't think there was going to be that many cars out today, but didn't know that it was a holiday. Oh, there's a cop, so I can't do it. That just messes it up, the whole thing. Oh, that sucks. There goes my smash. I'll have to come back and try it again. And I'm gonna try it again here. I'm gonna make a U-turn and go back to the tunnel from Old Roseville here. See how it sounds like I'm under the tunnel. Guys. Here it goes. Sounds like too many cars and the road's too short. But yeah, there goes the Pride V2 exhaust, the 2.5 inch. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. See you next time.